How about now? Do you see the blue one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So as I said, we're gonna copy the IP address that we found, call in, and the port that we found, hit enter, and then it asked us for a username and a password. At no point during the exercise we were giving username or a password. That means we have to find a way to enter the website. What you can do, go here and say how to gain access to a website with password and see what comes up. Or at the very beginning of the exercise, the presentation, Mr. Akin spoke about SQL. So SQL allows us to breach websites and gain access. So you will have to brute force your way in. Now it's very difficult to do it. That was the hardest question in the campaign. What you would do in this part is you would go to the hints, and the hints will give you a formula you can use in order to gain access. So if I jump in to just take the correct formula that is in the hints.
Victoria's comments are heretical, blasphemous.
This is the formula. Here I can type whatever I want, hit enter, and there you go. This is the website. This is where the server leads us to. I copy this answer, I take it to my terminal, and that's it. The exercise is basically, let me just show you. The exercise is basically over at this point. Oh, I didn't copy the name of the website. So it's generic remote, right? Remote interface. Nuclear. Here. And control. I think that should be it. I did not type it correctly. 1 second. Copy. Oh, so I can't copy it for some reason. So I have to excuse me for a second while I take the answer from here. Remote interface nuclear control. There it is. Oh, that's why. Typed it so many times I didn't even notice. There you go. Found the website, exercise is done, and that's it. That's all the questions that we had to do. So out of all those 3 questions, SQL was the toughest one to deal with. Everything else is just trying everything online, looking for tools online, trying everything you can find. At some point, you could have reached out to the moderators that could have helped you with sending their own links. But that's the exercise. Everything is online.
Okay, but we didn't see the last bit when you were showing SQL. Your screen was just blank. So
So the SQL, you saw that I had to put a password in a username, right?
You didn't see that because your screen was blank.
Oh, okay. So the last thing, hold on, let me see. Let me close everything. And maybe if I do it again. I'll just open it from the very beginning. So you can see it. I need to clear my cache. That's why you couldn't see it. But let me see what happens now. Okay. Let me share my screen now. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes. Do you see the screen that asks for a sign in?
No, it's still
No,
blank.
Oh,
it's still
it's
blank.
blank.
Oh, okay. For some reason, it says it's only sharing to host and co-host. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Can you try it again now?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's try again.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So we need to put a username and a password. What I did is I took from the hints. You should have used the hints, and you had this formula that allows you to log in to any website that uses credentials and you don't know it. If it's not secured, it will let you access it using this formula. In the password, I can write whatever I want as long as the username is this one. And then when I click on sign in, it gives me the answer, which is generic remote interface control.
The answer is not showing.
You're no longer sharing your screen.
That's why I like Google Meet, but let's try again. What about now?
Here we go. Yep.
There you go.
Generic
Oh.
remote interface nuclear control. Yep.
So the
Okay,
SQL query that I put along with any type of password will allow you to access it only if the port is open and not secured.
So guys, you can see this is a
Wow.
potential theme from a state actor. You know, this is serious stuff, right? People can use it to communicate weird things. So excellent. And a big shout out to Leah. Leah is in Israel and it's probably like 3:40 something a.m. or something like
It's
that.
4 a.m. Yeah.
A.m. Oh my gosh. Shout out to my Europe folks, Nigerian folks, Kenyan folks too. My North American folks, we're in this boat together. You all can still grab margarita before sleeping.
Even this can be used to send coded message during the war.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So I mean, we'll try and see if we can, work with Leah and Gemini to see if we can still let you all just play with it. Now that you know the answer, you can play with it one more time. And for my folks in other cyber class, they've been pinging me. We need to do more of this. So we'll try and keep you all busy. I'm stuck with Simpaya team, so don't worry. We'll figure a way to keep us all busy with activities like this. It's very thoughtful, demure, and something you have to really use your a lot of brain calories to think through it. So I think it's good exercise.
Really quickly, Leah, can I ask the SQL code, where did you get it from?
Don't do it. Is it that you just do HTTP of the IP address, then dash port number?
Yes. If you take the IP address and the port number, and again, it's important to make sure that the port is an open port, then you use the query that I used. Where I got it from, there's a list online. You can write SQL queries for login. I will give you a list. There's other ways to do that as well. That's not the only one that works, but this is my go-to query. And I just know it because I've been using that a lot. So that's a part of it. Your way of doing that as someone who's new, you're gonna have to try as many queries until you actually gain access to the website.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, that port, is it 32758 or 32756?
32768. That's the port.
32766. 32768.
But it's not, it doesn't mean that for any website, this port is open. It means for this exercise, for this website, using this port, it was open. Okay, the most common ports are 8080 and stuff like that. This is just for the sake of the exercises. We created an open port that you will be able to see what it looks like.
Excellent. All right. So I think it's time to announce the winner at the special time, right?
Yeah, let me send it over to you guys so you can announce it.
All right. All right.
Okay, just a quick one before the winner is announced. I would need I will send a link to the group right now. And if you participated in the hackathon, just drop your email address and your full name so we can email you your certificate of attendance.
Thank you.
Jamin, I am sending it to you, right?
Yep.
No. There you go.
So Jem, you do the honor of drum roll.
Ready, I'm ready.
Oh man, I think I can see a lot of my Kenya Nigerian folks being, Shadrach, all my folks, they are not playing games. That man, we're gonna win all this together, man. I love it.
So, are you guys
So-
ready?
Somebody
I want
said sound like election results. No.
it actually feels that way. Okay.
Hmm.
So usually
The
before the
winner
exercise,
is
I didn't get that.
and the winner is
You get,
Here we go.
but there has to be some level of preamble. We have to discuss the manifestos and everything. But I'll just go right into it. So um taking the third place out of over 50, 60 people participated in this hackathon is our very own drum rolls.
Brrr.
Kawosile.
Woohoo. Can you
Okay.
post the name too so we can?
Yeah, let me do that. Let me do that
All
now.
right. Awesome. Awesome.
Kawosile. Kawosile.
And if you
Yeah.
don't mind, please, for the winner, okay, Kausile, woohoo. If you don't mind, congratulations, and we're going to send us your, somebody said, can we verify the result to make sure it was not hacked?
So we need to act
Okay.
it out. That sounds like Tolu.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
second place. I feel very proud for this particular winner coming on second because as yes, it is GT with 300 points. So no, Shadrach is not the one who won now.
Who
It's not.
won?
It is GT with second
Okay.
point, second place.
Okay. Awesome. All right. All right. Can you post
Congrats.
the name also? Awesome.
Yeah.
GT GT. Woohoo. Awesome. Congratulations. I thought I was Finn. I was already jumping for him.
If he wins, then we're going to have a fight.
Sorry
Then
to cut you guys in. Would there be any recording for this? Because I'm just now making it to the Zoom meeting.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's already recorded. So yeah, it's recorded. Please go ahead, Gemini.
yes,
Okay,
sorry.
and finally the winner, the grand winner
Ooh, ooh,
with
ooh.
400 points. He gave the second person 100 points difference.
Wow.
Rich Obafemi Alao. Yes.
Awesome job.
Who has
Awesome
been
job. Awesome
hacking
job.
forever.
You know what, guys? That's amazing, folks. I mean, we admit it's not an easy task. So let's put all the names, and if you don't mind, send us your email so we can by tomorrow you get your gift card. And Gemini, what's the first prize again? So we can.
Okay, so for first prize, we have a $200 gift card.
All right. Oh, Amazon. Good.
Yeah, Amazon gift
Yep.
card. And then part of win is a free access to any program. So if you want to attend any of our programs, you have 100% free access. That's for Rich
Oh,
Opafemi Alao.
awesome,
Yes,
awesome.
This meeting
100%.
is
All right.
What did you say?
Not transferable, okay?
It is not transferable. Thank you. And then you also get a 30 minutes one-on-one mentorship with our mentor, Mr. Akin, or any other person who
Awesome.
decides to need to mentor you. And for second place, you get a $150 Amazon gift card. You get 50% off any Skillweed program, and you get a 15 minutes mentorship session with either Mr. Akin or any other mentor. And this is for second place is for, I just want to confirm the winner. GT gets this. Then for third place, Kawusile, which is Coyote, you get $100 Amazon gift card and 30% discount on any of our Skillweed program. So
Awesome.
I just want to use
And
this opportunity to thank you.
a special thanks to
Sorry.
special thanks to all our moderators. You guys are the MVP. Thank you so much. I know you volunteered a lot of your time, a lot of your hours. So we say big thank you. You all are the MVP. And to Leah, thank you so much for helping us ride this journey. We had no clue what we were doing. This is our first hackathon, but you made it look easy for us. So thank you so much. We appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much for your time. I mean, I'm excited. It was awesome. And for Gemini, our rock star, she always makes things happen, juggling it, making it to come to life. Thank you, Gemini. Vinny, Shadrach, Mr. Taufik, um, Piram, Oladimeji, thank you all for volunteering. Latisha, Ayobami, Kingsley, Pewu, Shun, Femi, Teddy, our CISSP, new one, Bumi, Tento, Trish, thank you, Julius, Jemima, Kofi, Petra, Fidel, Victor, Tolu, Toby, Yola, awesome, Lanre, thank you. Brother X, Tunji Solari, thank you. Edex, Ayo, Ibukola, Kofi, Charlie, thank you, brother. Ro, Haro, Palm, thank you. Roske, Dayo, Tolan, Obafemi, Rosemary, Ade, Abel, thank you all. Reggie, Maya, Josephine, Tosin, Annie, and everyone that was part of this program. Thank you so much, folks. And the goal is simple. We keep adding value to each other. Sometimes we make mistakes. We keep learning together. And the good thing is that at the end of the day, we just want to add value. That's all we can do, maximize ourselves. If there's any way we can keep supporting, just let us know. Our next program till next year, we have a program coming up at GRC class, January 18th, and maximize yourself. Any parting words, Leah, before we let you go?
No, I think it was a very nice experience. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was tough, but I guess I'll be seeing you on the next one because
Yeah.
it seems like most of you wanted to try something again. I will be in touch with Aking and Jamin regarding opening the same campaign for you tomorrow to those of you who want to play again. But other than that, it's good morning to me and good evening to you guys.
Thank you.
God
Shalom.
bless.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you,
And for everybody
Leah.
else, you guys are the awesome rock star, best team
Thank
ever,
you,
Thank
Leah.
you,
with
Thank you,
thank
family.
you,
everyone.
thank you, thank
Appreciate
you.
you all. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. Thank
We
everybody.
you. Thank
appreciate
you.
you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
Thank you all.
you.
Thank you.
God bless. Thank you
Thanks.
all.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you,
Good night,
Mr.
everybody.
Hicken.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.